It says we're going to the Secret Subway Show. Isn't that interesting? I don't know what it'll be about. We'll see.
Raise your hand if you ride the subway in New York City.
Yay, do we like the subway? We like the subway.
The subway is one of the best ways to get around.
Stop talking and listen.
In New York City, we've had a subway for 113 years.
113 years.
A long time. Our very first subway line opened up in 1904. But a lot of people don't know this. Before that very first subway opened in 1904, we actually had a secret subway here in New York City.
Oh, secret subway.
Way back in the year 1870, there was an inventor. His name was Mr. Alfred Ely Beach. He saw that people were having a hard time getting around in New York City. Back then, people rode around on vehicles that were pulled by horses. It wasn't a super efficient way to get around, so he decided to be the first person to put a train underground in New York City. But he had to do it secretly because he didn't have permission to do it.
They had to make a secret subway in 1870.
We are going to go to the back of our platform where we will see a special show. We will, if we're very lucky, we will get to meet Mr. Alfred Ely Beach. He will tell us all about our very secret subway.
Ooh, we're going to learn about the secret subway.
New York City. So if you are a ticket holder,
that's us. We're ticket holders. See?
You can have your tickets out ready to show.
Oop.
You can follow me and I will lead us.
All right, now stay with us. Let's all stay together. All right, we got to show our tickets. Good. All right, cool. Let's go. Now we can put them in our pockets.
Oh, hello everyone. Sorry. Here I am talking to myself. I just have so much work to do and there's so little time. So, what we're about to do is top secret. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfred Ely Beach and I own a very popular magazine. Let me show you. It's called Scientific American, and well, it was popular, and then it wasn't popular. People stopped reading it, and then I bought it, the whole company, and now thanks to me, it's popular again. You can pass a couple of these out. Now, the reason I wanted to be in charge of this magazine, Scientific American, is because I love science, everyone. I also love pickles dipped in chocolate. Anybody else? No? That sounds silly. Oh, fantastic. Look at this artwork. So, all those faces, we've got some music underground. I was looking for that piano earlier, which I can't find, but luckily, somebody brought me a machine from the future. Now, I don't know how it works, but I think you do. And let's see if we can get it to make any music. Could you get a volunteer to help you? All right. Now the rest of us, all we have to do is listen and be very quiet. And maybe we'll hear something. That sounds nice. So we have music underground, we have artwork underground. I have one very beautiful chandelier, but I think we could use another one. So can I get another volunteer? And then let go. Oh, you did it. Good job. All right. You can take a seat. Now, look, this place is looking better already. We have lights. We have artwork, really great artwork. We have music. I think it would be really wild if we had a fountain in a subway station. So I need one final volunteer to help me with a really, really big job. Very good. And now, watch this.
Ooh, cool.
1, 2, 3. And there is our fountain. Very good. Thank you so much. And actually, I need one final volunteer, one more person to help me put these fish into this fountain.
He's already got
I think they'd like to be in the water.
Good, he's already got somebody.
There you go. Anywhere you think they might like to be. There we go. And another one, and one more. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Now look, at this subway station we have a fountain and paintings and music and lights. I think if people see this for the first time underground, I don't think they'll be scared. I think they'll be excited to be underground. Would you agree? Yes. And I couldn't have done it without you, so give yourself a round of applause.
Yay.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go feed all my other pet rats. So goodbye, everyone.
It's a toy.
Alrighty, friends. That was Mr. Alfred Ely Beach. He was a real inventor who actually created the very first underground subway that we had in New York City back in 1870. Unfortunately, his pneumatic subway only lasted for a few years before it was closed. If you ever ride the letter R train to the City Hall station, you can be exactly where Mr. Beach's pneumatic subway used to be.
Wasn't that cool? There was like a secret pneumatic subway run that you used air to push it through. I didn't want to video the whole thing because that guy did a really good job, and that's not cool to video somebody else's art without their permission.
You don't want to tell.
But it was cool. There was a pneumatic subway. He had to build it in secret because New York City didn't want to go underground. New Yorkers didn't want to go underground for the train. That was a really good show. I think everybody should probably go see that show. Right? That was a good show. Was it a good show? Did you learn stuff?
Yeah.
You learned that he thought if he put art and music and all kinds of good things underground, people would actually want to go down to the subway station. And maybe that's why we like the art installation so much in the subway. Anyway, you want to say goodbye? Bye. Let's say goodbye to everybody. Here, stand up. Stand.
Goodbye.
All right.
We're
Goodbye.
all done. Goodbye.
We're all done. Don't step on the super toes. Goodbye. Ready?
Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe. Ready? Kick. Subscribe. Okay. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Bye.